Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote your business in a very smart way. First thing, you want to launch the Pinterest app. When you're on Pinterest, I'm going to show you where to look and how to find a special edge. Very important is that you want to focus on brands that are utilizing already famous products or famous brands. As you can see over here, we have somebody who is selling a rubber band. They don't sell Rolexes, if you see this, but what they're promoting is Rolex watch. What will caught your attention will be the Rolex watch. So they're selling just the band of the watch. They're promoting it and they're selling $220 band for the watch. You see how this actually works? If you scroll down, you will find that all the feed that will be related to this post will be same. You see, this is a different brand doing the exact same thing. And if you can see, they have plenty of nice feed. They have plenty of people coming in and probably potentially shopping because they're capitalizing on the big brands. They're capitalizing on Rolex and people who love Rolex. Because if you just throw a couple of posts on your bands, on simple Seikos or whatever, you're not gonna get $200 charging for a band, right? People who are paying $200 for a watch will not pay $200 for a band, most likely. So this is how you capitalize on the brands. What I'm even saying, let's say for example you have a cosmetic brand, let's say for example you have a clothing brand. What you could do, you could simply go and throw this nice merchandise on the seats of Mercedes or some BMW or some expensive car. You can go into some of these showrooms, right? Where is the Porsche, where is the Ferrari? You can throw the merch on the seats, but still you can create much more classic and much more contribution. You can attract people who usually will see in their feed all these Ferraris, all these Maseratis, all these expensive luxury cars, but they're going to get this with your product, with your service on the feed with luxurious items. As you can see over here, we have plenty of other examples. Look at what is the feed over here. The moment you click on the wristbands, right? People are selling rubber bands. Don't forget that. We're seeing diamonds on the right side. We're seeing cars. We're seeing other Rolexes, Tudor watches, only luxurious items. You see Prada over here. What I'm even showing you over here, you can go inside the only 1% target audience by simply adding value to the already existing brand, product or service. You see, they simply put themselves in between Tag Heuers, in between Rolexes, in between Carreras, Pradas, Ferraris, all this nice stuff, right? And remember, they are just selling a rubber band, a silicone rubber band. Nothing special, nothing unique, nothing that cannot be replicated, so on and so forth. This is how you utilize and leverage your presence on Pinterest. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.